let's explore things you will see on the RV exterior when you look at the front and rear caps or the sidewalls. The front wall or cap of a travel trailer, fifth wheel, or motorhome could have storage compartments or windows. The rear might have an entry door or a toy hauler door, a spare tire carrier, or other types of storage racks, and more windows or cargo compartments. When you take a look at the sidewalls of the RV, there are windows, the entry doors, door handles, entry steps, the awning, appliance access compartments for the refrigerator and water heater, the furnace vent, water connections, cable TV or solar connections, and more storage compartments that might be protecting the water-based station or propane tanks. The sidewalls, front, and rear walls of your RV could be constructed of materials like aluminum or fiberglass. Watch for signs of water intrusion on the fiberglass sidewalls, which might be indicated by a rippling effect under the material called delamination. This is a clue that there could be extensive water damage lurking behind the sidewall. Inspecting the sealant around window frames, doors, appliance access doors, and other cargo compartments on all sides of the RV is equally important here. Some RVs are equipped with an awning that can be operated either manually or electrically. If it is electric, the controls and motor for the electric awning will operate on the 12-volt DC coach battery. Inspect the awning fabric for tears or damage that could worsen, as well as for signs of mold or mildew. Always be sure to let your awning dry completely before retracting. Clean the awning once a year or as needed.